Hey Monopoly fans, frustrated with facing network issues while playing your favorite game? You're not alone. This week, I'm here to help you with how to fix Monopoly Go network problem and ensure your gaming experience is as smooth as that colorful game board you know and love. Network problems can put a damper on your gameplay, but fret not. We'll guide you through simple steps to resolve these pesky issues so you can get back to your real estate empire building in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before diving into more complex solutions, ensure your internet connection is stable. Often the problem isn't with Monopoly Go itself, but a weak or disrupted internet connection. Wi-Fi connectivity. Ensure your device is connected to a strong Wi-Fi signal. Move closer to your router if needed. Mobile data. If you're using mobile data, verify you have enough data allowance and a good signal strength. Restart your router. A simple router reboot can often fix connectivity issues. Turn it off for about 10 seconds, then switch it back on. Step 2. Update the app. An outdated app can often lead to connectivity problems. Developers regularly release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. App Store. Head to your device's App Store and check if there's an update available for Monopoly Go. Automatic updates. Enable automatic updates on your device settings to ensure you're always running the latest version. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Over time, cached data can accumulate and cause performance hitches in apps. Clearing this data can often resolve network issues. Setting. Go to your device's setting. Find Monopoly Go. Under Applications, locate Monopoly Go. Clear cache. Tap on Storage, then choose Clear cache. If problems persist, consider clearing data as well, but be aware this might erase local game progress. Step 4. Check for device compatibility. Ensure that your device meets the recommended specifications for running Monopoly Go. This includes having enough storage, RAM, and processing power. Free up space. Remove unused apps or files that may be clogging your storage. RAM management. Close other running apps to free up RAM for a smoother Monopoly Go experience. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If you've tried the above solutions without success, reinstalling the app is a more comprehensive fix. Uninstall Monopoly Go. Hold down the app icon until the uninstall option appears, then select it. Reinstall. Go back to your App Store, search for Monopoly Go, and reinstall it. Step 6. Contact support. If you're still experiencing network issues, it might be time to reach out to the app's customer support. They may have specific solutions tailored to your problem. In-app support. Some games offer support links within the app itself. Check the settings or help menu. Official website. Visit Monopoly Go's official website or support page for more detailed assistance. We've shared steps on how to fix Monopoly Go network problems so you can get back to making deals and collecting rent without network interruption. Whether it's checking your internet connection, clearing cached data, or updating your app, these solutions can help maintain a seamless gaming experience. Remember, always prioritize a stable network environment to enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions. Now, roll the dice and dive back into the world of Monopoly Go. Happy gaming!